Hello Builder, welcome to the DNS Manager tool. With this tool, you will be able to buy a domain directly from Builderall, connect a domain and create a custom email. I am Jackie de Klerk, I'm your success coach, and in this overview, I want to show you around this tool. Please note that you will find links to additional training on each section below this video. So here we are on the Domain and Email Manager dashboard. Right here in the middle, you will find all the domains that you have connected in your account. If you have added a domain, but it is not yet connected, you will see a message under the Connected To area. You will also be able to easily see if the SSL, which is the standard technology for securing an internet connection by encrypting data sent between two websites and a browser or between two servers, are actually active or not. For example, you can see that the domain builderalltestingdomain.com, that little world icon, the SSL is active and it is blue with a green icon. The same applies to the custom email that you've created in your account. The little blue envelope confirms that. So let's move to the icons now. This icon is for quick actions, meaning you will be able to use your email on other platforms. If you click on them, you will get a wizard guiding you through the process. You will also be able to transfer a domain. Note that using this option, you are not transferring the domain to another user. That you will need to do with the registrar. The purpose of this transfer is to transfer the use of the domain to another user on the Builderall platform. The next icon is the managing of your DNS and the connections. It is important, if you do not have any experience with DNS records, that you do not make changes here, because it can affect your website as well as your email deliverability. If you have to add a record or anything in advance, rather contact support. Now, as for the connections, it is basically the same as what you see on this page, but without all the other info. Next is the search icon. Clicking on that, you will see your domain, IP address, the MX host, when it was created or updated, as well as whether your email is active. And last but not least, you will see a green icon if your DNS was set up correctly. If not, it will show red with a prompt for more info. Next to the search icon is an envelope. Here is where you are going to create a custom email. Change your password, access your webmail, or even remove the email. If you see a green icon, it means that it is verified. Moving on the left, we have the dashboard. Clicking on it will take you back to the main dashboard of this tool. And below, you can buy a domain directly from Builderall, which is great because then you do not have to change the name server and so forth. Below, we have connect a domain. That is if you already have a domain that you have purchased elsewhere. And below that, you can create a custom or professional email, which take you to the same place as the little icon way on the right of the dashboard. Now you have a better understanding of the DNS Manager. Make sure to watch the other training videos to have a complete understanding. See you next time, builders. Bye.